So guys, welcome back to KSR Data Vision. So today is day 4 of Power Platform course, and we have begun with the Power BI module, and today is the third session on Power BI. Okay, we will be covering what are joins, what are merged queries, what are append queries, and we will see everything in action today in Power BI. Okay, so by joins we are covering, you must be knowing like joins is the concept of any database stuff. But why we are need to cover, because merge queries are nothing but joins only in in Power BI desktop. Okay, so before getting started, let me open the Power BI and then let's get started. Power BI report, I have saved it. I think we have saved with the morning batch name, right?
Yes, Indrajit.
Okay, so now meanwhile it is searching for that. One question to you: how many of you have started working on that? I know Swati has already started. What about others? How many you have actually downloaded the Power BI and started working on that? Yeah, give me quick yes or no, guys. Come on, say yes or no. I'm not going to give any punishment here. Just I want to see the status where we are.
I will start, not started.
Okay, what about others?
Not
Somnath,
started.
not started? Not getting time, or it is not interesting to you? It does not sound interesting. Okay, I'm getting a ping. This is first class for Krutarth. So you can go ahead and watch the recording of first 3 classes in YouTube. Okay. Okay. Okay, then if you don't want to give me the status, that is fine. Let's get started then. So what are joins, guys?
Combining something. Combining the
Combining,
tables.
combining the tables. So before that, why joins were required? First of all, why can't we have everything in the say one table? Suppose
Because
you have
multiple,
this. Yeah, sorry.
because sometimes the information can come from multiple tabs, multiple files. It depends on how we have our data.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, why can't we have everything in the one table in the database? We can have one large table. Okay, so suppose this is students table. You can have student ID, student name, student department, student address, student, what else can be there? Student stream and student, suppose group ID. Why can't you have all these things in one place?
If we keep everything in one place, there might be a chance that we might not be able to retrieve data that we're looking for, considering the limited compute power that we might.
Oh, sorry. Can you come again? Like your voice was not that much audible.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, now it's fine.
I'm saying there might be a chance that we might not be able to retrieve the data as efficiently because of limited compute power.
Because of the limited
Compute power.
computing power. Okay. What about others? What are your thoughts on this?
It's better to store each information. For example, customer information in customer table, product information as a separate table. Uh, so
Okay.
that is the best way. So in order to get our requirement, it's we have to use the joins. It seems.
Okay. Expecting few more answers. Yeah, Prashant.
When
There
we
might be chance of seeing same values repeatedly.
Yeah, data will be repeated, right? So here we can see repetition, repeated data, slow processing, right? Yes, someone else was also speaking.
if we give access everyone to this large table, then it will be security issue, right?
Yeah, security issue. Yeah. So these are all issues that you will face. Okay. Thank you guys. It's good stuff that you have told. So whenever like think like this. Suppose you have a student one, student name A, department B, address ABC, and stream suppose ECE, group ID is 2, and subject is English. Can you guys store like this in like objects here in the flat table? English, maths, BCE, and so many other stuff. You can't store objects in tabular format, right? So here you can store only strings. Okay. So what you need to do, if you have to store 5, 6 subjects, you have to repeat every row and then you will say maths. Then again, you have to repeat every row and you will say BCE. And suppose this guy is in different groups, 2 groups. So then there will be different records for 2 groups also. Okay. Then suppose this guy belongs to 2 departments. Then also there will be 2 different records. So you can see like there is lot of duplicacy of data, right? Right or not? Lot of data is getting duplicated. So suppose you want to get the address of the this guy. To get the address, you have to retrieve all this information also. Stream also you are retrieving, subjects also. Everything you are retrieving, right? So this is very dangerous, guys. Like whenever you are working on the real time projects or real time scenarios, whenever this thing happens, so you are getting exposure to everything which is there, okay, in the database. So due to that, you have to have only one kind of data in one table. Okay, that is like what SQL says or what database fundamental says. You should have a flat file structure table. Okay, what it means, like in one table, one row should give you the atomic information. Atomic means single, one row should give you the single information. Okay, another row will give you another single information. Every row will have its own significance and it is unique. Getting me?
Yes.
Yeah. So there are few principles on which these databases work. Those are ACID principles. How many of you know about ACID principles?
Yeah, atomic and
Yeah, this is guys the thing that I'm explaining. This ACID principles, flat file structure, nothing to take anything to with Power Platform. This is just to build your fundamentals, your intuition. So please pay attention. Like whenever I'm asking question, just try to think and answer. That is it. This is what is expected from you. Other than that, I'll take care of everything. How to explain, how you will get it. Just just acknowledge. That is it.
Okay. Yeah, ACID properties comes under in T-SQL, right?
Yeah, any SQL, any database basically. You can
Okay.
say these are the kind of principles that database should follow.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Atomic
as
consistency and durability.
okay, so let me go to another page. Acid, ACID. A stands for atomicity,
Atomic consistency, safer.
C stands for consistency,
Isolation, I stands for isolation.
isolation,
Durability, default.
and durability. So atomicity I already explained you, right? Like every table should have a row that is atomic in nature. Atomic in nature means every row should have a unique significance. Okay, in the table. Got it, guys? What is atomicity?
Yeah.
Guys, only Vaswaraj is responding. What about others? Swati, Somnath, Sai Kiran, you got it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So consistency is what? Whatever you are doing in your database, suppose you are working on the student table. Okay. And suppose Vaswaraj is performing some operations in the student table. Okay. So in that case, what should happen? Suppose Swati is logging into the system. So then the operation that Vaswaraj has performed, it should get reflected in the Swati system without any issues. Okay, this is consistency. Consistency means whatever operation you are doing, it should be consistent across the users. It should be consistent in the database. Got it? There should not be any discrepancy between this. Suppose this guy Vasparaj is trying to update the student name. Okay,
Got it.
student. Sorry, got it right? So he's trying to update the student name to Swati. So then when Swati is logging in, she
Yes.
should be able to see this. Okay. Clear, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's move to isolation. So let me bring isolation here. Isolation, what isolation says? Suppose two guys are working on this. Suppose Bhuvan and what are the other people in the class? Let me take two examples. Yeah. Suppose Bhuvan, Karthik, and Sai. These three guys are working on the same database table. So in that case, the transaction that Bhuvan is doing, the transaction that Karthik is doing, and the transaction that Sai is doing should not like impact each other work. This means like these transactions should be isolated from each other. Okay, it doesn't matter what Karthik is doing, it doesn't matter with what Bhuvan is doing, it doesn't matter what Sai is doing. They should be independent of each other. There should not be any internal kind of dependency on each other. So what you can think of it is, suppose you are booking the Book My Show movie tickets. Okay, so when you are booking the Book My Show movie tickets, so suppose these three guys are booking the tickets. So whenever like they are booking the tickets, these transactions are independent, right? It does not, it will never happen. Okay, Bhuvan has blocked the ticket and Karthik will be able to do the bigger kind of payment for that tickets that he had blocked, right? Have you seen this instance?
Yes.
You have seen this instance, or you agree with me?
So,
I agree with you.
Okay, Bhuvan, what were you saying? You have some doubt
no, no, no.
with me, right? As of now,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. So this is isolation. So clear with atomicity, consistency, isolation, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now final thing is durability. Durability, what it means, like whatever you are doing, like whatever you are doing in the transactions, in the operations, it should get stored in the database permanently. What it means, like let us take this book my show example only. Like when your transaction is finished, so then that ticket should get booked, and everyone who is using book my show, who will open the book my show, will will be able to see that you have already booked that seat. Got it? There should not be any inconsistency there. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now tell me honestly, guys, how many of you got these acid properties?
Can you please explain the durability with the different things?
Okay. So durability is nothing. Suppose durability means, okay, let me create a table. This is table, student department. So suppose you are trying to update the student department in the transaction that you are doing in the database. Okay. So what will happen, what durability says, when you have done every operation, so the changes that you are doing, that should be durable. Durable means what? Like those changes should get stored in the databases permanently. Suppose you are trying to update the department from ECE to CSE. Okay, so then this should get written in the database permanently. That is it. Like it should get updated in the database.
Okay,
It should
okay,
not get lost anywhere.
So
okay,
if
makes
the
sense.
system will be crashes, the data will be there, right?
Sorry. Can you come again? A little
Yeah.
slow.
So yeah, if system will be crashed,
Yeah, the data will be there. Correct.
yeah, data will be there. Yeah.
Correct. Because you are storing the data in database. That is
Database. Yeah.
durable. So it doesn't matter, like suppose you are opening the app is crashing for you. So then I will open the app. It should give me the correct data because it is now in the database and it is durable. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes. Enjoyed acid properties?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now let us move to the joins part. So now you guys got it. Why why we can't have the big fat tables? Why to split the tables, right? Everything you got it? What are acid properties that database should away? Okay. So now let's get started with the joins. So suppose, as you already know, now we have to design a data with different tables. Every table should have a unique information. So suppose you have two tables. This is table A. This is table B. Okay, let me draw it little upwards. Suppose you have two tables. These are two tables. This is table A. This is table B. Okay. If I'll do here, so suppose this has student ID, student name. This table also has student ID, student name, and student, suppose, department. Okay, it has one, two, name is ABC, one ABC, department is ECE, suppose two ABD, again one ABC, CSC. This is the data that you have. Even if you can ignore this data, that is not an issue. So suppose these are two tables, table A and this is table B. So how many types of joins are there? There are a few types of joins.
Yeah, left join, right join,
Inner join,
inner join,
left join, then
right join,
right join.
outer join.
Yeah, then these are left join, right join, then outer join,
Yeah,
left outer join, right?
yeah,
I think both are same, right?
same. Yeah,
Left.
both are the same. Left outer and right outer.
Okay.
It's a
It will be cross
full
join. Yeah, one more.
join.
It is a cross join.
Okay. Cross join is nothing but Cartesian product, right?
Yeah, partition product. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's not discuss this anti-join as of now. Okay. These were the four types of join that you are aware as of now, right?
Self join.
Sorry?
Yeah. Self join.
Self join is also there. What it,
Yeah.
yeah. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So what will happen in the inner join? The rows which are present in both the tables will be present in the result. So basically, this is the part. This part of the table you will get as a result in the inner join. Got it?
Yeah.
Guys, what about others? Got it?
Yes.
Inner join?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just visualize this as of now. Visualize this with the diagrams. I will create two dummy tables in Power BI and I'll explain how it works. Okay. Clear? Inner join. So now on this inner join itself, we will build everything. Left outer join, right outer join. I'll tell you how to build that. Okay. So, so now what is left join? In inner join, if you have to explain it in one line, you will say all the matching rows from both tables will come as a result, right?
Yeah.
So now left join will be what? So this is our left table, this is our right table, right? Left join is nothing what? You will be getting all the matching rows plus this area. So
So
if you have,
basically, everything from table one.
yeah, from the left table and the matching rows from the right table.
Do we need to have only the common column which supposed to match? I mean, the common column records supposed to match, or all the records of both the tables?
Key column.
Okay, key column. Okay.
Yeah. So what is the how you can drive this logic, guys, of left join? If I ask you to write, explain me in one line.
Left table joining from the right table.
All the records of the left table and the common records of the right table.
Okay, can we write it like this? Inner join plus
Left join.
left out records from left
Right table.
table. Left table, na? We are
Yeah,
talking
yeah,
about
yeah.
left
Yeah,
join.
left table, right? Exactly.
Yeah. So how, from where it is getting derived? It is getting derived from inner join itself, right? We are getting the result of inner join and the left out table records. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you are, so it is sounding difficult to you, so you can simply explain it like this: all the matching rows from both the tables and the left out rows from the left table. Why I'm trying to explain with the inner join? To give you a different perspective. Getting it?
Yeah.
So that it is easy to remember to all of you. If you know inner join, you will be able to explain left join also, you will be able to explain right join also. So now in right join, what will happen? You will get this thing, right?
Yeah, inner join
Yeah, this is the part that you will get as a result.
plus left right table.
Yeah, left out records from the right table, right? Clear
Yes,
guys,
makes
clear?
sense.
Three joins.
Yeah.
Like, how many of you were not aware about joins earlier? I guess Basfaraj is already aware, right? Basfaraj?
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm aware of it.
What about others?
I'm not.
Yeah, I'm aware of it.
Okay. Swati, you were not, right?
No.
So now it is clear.
Yes.
Okay. What about other? Is there anyone else who was not aware about join? Like, this is the first time they are listening this. Guys, please respond. Okay. Please respond so that I am able to get the status of you, whether you guys are getting, because I want to check like people who were not aware, if they are getting or not. Other than that, all of you were already aware. Ritesh, Somnath, Reddy, Raghu.
Yes, why not?
Indrajit.
Okay. Okay then. Okay. So Krutarth was not aware. So now it is clear to you. Okay, that is fine. Thank you, guys. So now we have two joins left, that is cross join and self join. So suppose this is the table. It has this record 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is table B, and this is the record 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in cross join, what will happen? Every record will get paired with every other record in the table. Like, you will have this thing, this thing, this thing. Similarly, this record will get paired with this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing. This record get paired with this thing, this thing, this thing. So suppose this table has 4 rows, this table has 5 rows. How many rows you will get in the resultant table? 4 into 5 is equals to 20 rows. Got the concept?
Yeah,
Okay.
I got it.
Okay. What about others?
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay. So this is cross join. So self join is nothing is like we will be joining a table with itself. Okay. So that is self join. So let me quickly go to Power BI now and show you what are the joins that are supported by Power BI. Yeah, this is the report. It is saved in archived. Okay. Now we will check and may see everything in action. Okay, why it is not opened? Okay, let it be. we will anyways, like we need to create dummy tables only for this join, so we will do that. Just a second, this Power BI desktop went into not responding mode. Okay, thank God it is back. Let us go to transform data and see. Yeah. So how many of you remember in the yesterday session when I said like here it is a merge and append queries? We will be explaining it later. Will you be able to navigate to merge queries? Working very slow today. Let me kill this process and open it again. Control Shift Escape. So this thing will can happen with you also when you will be working with Power BI desktop. Like if it got stuck in between, so then everything in the system will get hang. I am audible, guys, right? Or not?
Yeah, it's audible.
Yeah, okay. Other than that, everything. Oh shit, man, how many reports are open? We have clicked on everything and it opened these many reports. Shit. Just let it load and then we have to. Oh, oh my God. That is the issue. This will just be cautious when you are opening this Power BI desktop. If so many things are opening, this will haunt you guys. Let me.
Is Indrajit left?
Hello.
Yes, Chandra.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
I'm,
audible. Okay,
yeah.
everyone already left. Come on. Okay, let me restart my system and then I have joined from my phone. Let me force shut down my system and then start it again. Just give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was not audible when I was speaking from my PC.
No.
Oh, okay. Thank you guys for having patience. I think others have already lost the patience and they are gone. Okay, no worries. They can see the recording. Let me restart. I have restarted it. So guys, you got it right. What are acid properties? What are joints?
So atomicity in the sense we are trying to keep only the unique record in every, unique things in every record, I think,
Yeah,
right?
correct.
Okay, okay. And consistency, you have given example. If someone is making changes in some other records or inserting or updating, so it is other
Your
user also able
yeah,
to.
your changes should be consistent across users.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And isolation, if you had given an example, three guys are booking the uh, uh, tickets, for example. So those three seats are not cleared out. So that is the reason.
Yeah, isolation is like suppose you are doing some transaction, your transaction should be independent of others. So suppose, well, forget about tickets. Suppose whenever you are doing some transaction in the account. So when you have already initiated a transaction in PhonePe and you initiate one other transaction in suppose Paytm. So those two transactions are independent, right?
From the same account. Okay, okay,
Yeah.
makes sense. Okay, okay, got it. Thanks.
Yeah, no worries. Even others can also ask questions. Meanwhile, my system is rebooting again. So it will take 2 3 minutes. So you can use this time rather than sitting idle. We can use this time. You can ask me anything. I'll explain to you.
And one more question I have. Left outer join and left join both are same, right?
Left outer. Yeah, this is same. Terminologies like they
Are
use.
different, huh?
Yeah, terminology used interchangeably, but the concept is same.
Okay, okay. And if we have any null values, for example, 1, 2, 3 null in a table 1 and 1, 2, 3 null, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4 in table 2. So that time what happens, wherever we have a null values, right? 1, 2, 3 is commonalities between the two tables. And the fourth one, we are not seeing the common, right? One is null and another is 4 value. I
Yeah.
mean, value is 4.
Yes. Yes. So
So
which
that time,
means
how it works with respect to inner join?
you will get 1 2 3 the matching records only.
Uh, okay, and fourth record will not show at all.
No.
Okay, okay, okay. I have a knowledge, theoretical knowledge, but I didn't have any how it
Yeah,
could.
that's what now Power BI is implementing.
Yeah,
Actually, I needed to show you all these things only. Like if you have 1 2 3 null, everything that we have learned theoretically, na, on the
yeah,
time. So now we will implement that. Yeah, we will see that in action. I'll create some dummy tables and then I'll explain it to you. Okay.
yeah.
Yes. Others, you guys are not getting any doubt? Reddy, Prashant, Preeti, Rajkumar, Swati. No doubts? Bhuvan.
Yeah, no doubts, buddy.
Okay, you all of you have gone through all the classes, right? This is the fourth one for most of you, except Krutharth.
No, this was the second class it seems I have joined. Yesterday I didn't join. The before day I have joined.
Okay. Yesterday you did not got a time to join. That is
Yeah.
fine. I'm back. So Bhuvan, like you already worked on Power BI?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
So how are you finding it as of now? Simple, very simple, or moderate? Because I can't say complicated because many new things are going to get started. Those are very advanced.
No. Before that I have heard about these things. I'm aware of it bit.
Yeah, okay. So as of now, it is relatable to you.
Yeah. So the only thing I just want to shift into Power Platform developer like Power Apps. So as of now,
Yeah,
I'm working on SQL developer.
okay. I think we had discussion regarding
With
this.
the before day.
Yeah, before yesterday class, right? Day before
Yeah,
yesterday.
day before yesterday's.
Yeah, got it. Let me join the class again from here and then let's open the Power BI and let's get started. What about you, Swati, Preeti, Rajkumar? You guys are getting what we are discussing?
I got the basic. I mean, but I think when we'll do the practical, I'll understand it more better.
Yeah. What about you, Prashant, Preeti, Rajkumar?
Yeah, we are following you, Indrajit. Need to start practice now.
Yeah. Yes, practice will be the key element that will play a crucial role when you will be working. Okay, I can explain you the concept, I can explain you the working kind of working model for the concept where it will be used, but you have to explore, you have to practice the use cases, then only you will be very much confident. So if I can see if I will invite someone else from the evening batch for tomorrow so that you guys are getting idea like they are creating really crazy stuff, guys. There's a student named as Roy. She has created a good canvas app, like a cool one, and
Your voice is going on and off.
all of them are putting a lot of effort and now they are getting confident into this. So the more you will practice, the more you will explore, the more confident you will become and it will be very good for you guys. Okay.
So, are you going to provide us like the data where all of us will be working on the same data?
No,
I mean,
no. No,
no.
no, no. Yeah, no, because that will be spoon feeding. Obviously, I'll not do that. I would give you, we will create a project in the class. So then it is up to you. If you are repeating that project itself, that is also fine because the main idea is to kind of hands-on on the projects, okay, on the features that we are discussing. But if you
Bunny
want
anyways,
to, sorry.
Yeah, sorry for it.
Okay, so in that case, like what you can do if you want to explore, you probably want to create new project. That also you can. So basically, the guys that I am telling you, they have taken the examples from LinkedIn and then they started implementing it. Okay, she has created a Ghana streaming app. Like how many of you know about Spotify and all?
Yeah, I'm aware of it. Spotify.
Spotify, Wink Music,
Yeah, Geo Music.
Jio Savan. So she has created a Ghana streaming app in Canvas apps. So now you can imagine like how much she should have researched and created that, right?
Yeah,
And there was one guy, he created model-driven apps that was also pretty good. So in that batch, model-driven apps, we are finishing by Friday.
So one question, when you say we will be doing projects, so that means you will be doing it, and it is up to us that whether we want to practice it and follow the instructions in your lectures, and you want to do it or not.
It is up to us, that I will not say. It is mandatory for you to practice those concepts. So if you're not practicing, you will not get like confident, you will not get hang of it. So it will be similar to like you have watched and you have not practiced. So I don't think that will help you guys. So you have to practice those concepts. So it is up to you whether you want to take the same use case and implement it that we have discussed in the class, or you want to implement your own use case. That's what I mentioned.
Okay.
Yeah, there is no kind of option that you can skip that implementation. If you are implementing, only then you will get confidence, only then like it will be very beneficial for you. Okay, make sense, Swati?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Yes, Power BI is open. I'm sharing my screen. Let me drop from this phone and let's get started from there. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
yeah.
Is Power BI visible?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, we have Power Query Editor open. So we will create two tables. Click on Enter Data. And let's create two manual tables here for examples. Okay. So we will create table one. First of all, this is our table one. So in table one, we will have student ID. Or for that, suppose let's have ID, and let's have another column that is student name. Okay, ID is one and student is suppose Kanav, and ID. Okay, this column is not required. Let me delete this. New row, student 2, and name is, what will be the name, guys? Rahul. Suggest me some names of students. 3. And suppose Prasant. So these are the three student in table 1. So this is table 1. If you click on OK, this will get created here. Just wait for a few seconds. It should get created.
Where did it get created? What did you press? I didn't see that.
Okay. I pressed OK.
I don't have OK on mine.
Okay. We need to create one more. Let us see here again. What you have in your
Oh, I have load, edit, cancel.
okay. So you are creating it from first screen. So you can click on load.
Oh, load.
Yeah. Because you have clicked on the enter data from the first screen. I am creating it from Power Query data. That's why this is the difference.
And how can I go in the Power Query? Enter. Let me see.
Click on transform data
Uh-huh.
so that it will come here.
I got it.
Got it?
Yep.
Good. So suppose student here is 1 and the name is Kanav, and student 2, the name is Rahul.
Can you pick some empty name
Yes.
for
Student
some
3, empty name. Student 4, who just said to take empty name? Please say out your name.
Basavara?
Okay. Raj. And let's add few other students from this class. Swati. Okay. 6th is Sai.
And
Okay.
null.
7th is null or blank. That is fine. If I'll click on OK. So these are the two tables which are created, right? So now let's perform the merge query. Swati, you are implementing it with the class.
Yes.
I would request you to focus here first, learn the concept, and then you can implement. It will not take much time if you are clear. Even you
Okay.
can go through the recording also, because I think then it will be issue if you are implementing in the class. It might impact your learning. Okay.
Okay.
So now we have to perform the join between two. So for that, you have to go ahead with the merge query. Merge queries as new, because I want to create new table for after merging. So here you can select table 2, table 1. So now you have to decide like which ID you will be using. So I will be using these two IDs. Okay. So then let's check the first inner join. Inner join, what it will give you guys?
It
Just a
only gives
comment.
only the matching
Matching
records.
rows.
Matching rows. Here hint is already there. Okay. If you click on only matching rows, if I'll click on OK, what should be the output, guys? From these two tables? Tell me, is it correct?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now this is the ID and name. These are coming from table 2, right? This table 2. So now suppose you want to get the name of this table 1 also. So here you can see this table 1 merging is there, right? You can click on this and you can get rid of everything and you can select the S name and you can expand and look. In table 1, the name is Prashant and the ID is same. So you are getting this result. So what you are doing here, you are combining the tables, right? On the basis of joins logic, isn't it?
Yeah, yes, Indrajit, can you please do one more time to join how it is?
Yeah. Now I will be doing another join, so you will be getting more kind of realistic picture of it. Okay, let me change the join now. I'll click on source and I will change the join to
How
left.
did you go to the merge window? This window. I
Yeah. So you can click on here. So then you will be getting a new window here. Okay, merges new. So this is the window that you will be getting to create the join. Okay, so now you are getting three tables. So what I was doing, I was changing the join in that table itself. So whatever you want to change in the step, you can go in the applied steps and click on source. And here there is a gear icon, right? Click on gear icon, and you because this first table first step of this table was merging, so that's why I'm getting this merge window. Got it, Swati?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's change this to left outer join. What should we get, guys?
So inner plus whatever is in the left table.
Okay. Got it? I think let me change the table sequence so that so here left table is what?
So the table that comes in
Table 2.
it's on the left.
Table 2 is the left table, right?
Okay.
This is the right table. Let me change the sequence so that you are able to relate with the diagram that you have explained. Now left table is which? Table 1. Right table is table 2. Now you are
Okay.
performing left outer join. You should get all the records from this table and the matching record from this table. Let us click on this thing now. Let us first of all select the key column. Click on left outer join and click on OK. Look, you got all the records from the first table and the matching record from the second table. So let me show you. Insert step. Yeah, look, these are the two tables, all the records from the first table and the matching record from the second table. Karnav, Rahul and Null. Clear now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone? How many people are there? 6 people? Clear? At least give me 4 5 years so that I can go ahead with another.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Which
Now
one
you
is
are
the actual table from the ID? Table 1.id, what example is that?
this is the table 1 record and these are the table 2 records. Here if you can see like this is Kannav, Rahul and blank. This is coming from table 2, right? So don't get confused with this thing. This is the auto generated table 1. This
Okay.
means like table 2. Let me
Okay,
rechange this.
so these first column and second column are the only thing that we are supposed to look at, right?
Yeah. So suppose you want to get the name from the second table also. In second table, the column can be different also, na? Like
Mm-hmm.
suppose here you have the department name.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So when you will be merging, you will be getting the department name of all these people. Karnam belongs to this department, Rahul belongs to this department, Prashant belongs to this department, like that.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Got it.
Yeah. Got it? All of you? Now let me go ahead and create a new table for outer join. So now I will be joining table 1 with table 2, and these will be the joining columns. And I want to do the right outer join now. And I will click on. So here fuzzy mathematic logics are also there. If you want to like match the ignore case, all these things are there. So these are the extra settings. Okay. If I'll click on OK, this is merge to. Yeah, we are applying the right outer join all from second and matching from first.
So, uh, so you said right. So we get everything, all of the records from right table, and
Yeah,
just the common.
correct, correct.
Uh, but that number three, Prashant, is not com. Do we
Okay,
have it in the second?
okay.
We have
So
number
Swati,
three.
yeah, Swati, look here. This which is the right table here?
Table 2.
Table 2, correct. So which is the left table? Table 1,
Table.
right?
Yeah.
So we are performing right outer join. Right outer join all from second and matching from first. So we only have 3 records in the first. This is the first table record, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now this is the table 2. Let me expand the table 2. Let me cancel this and expand. Let me expand the name for table 2 and see. Look, you're getting everything from table 2. Let me go to table 2. That is the left table. There were 2 blanks. One
Mm-hmm.
Karnav, this thing, this thing, this thing, right? If you go to this
Yeah.
thing, and everything is visible here, right? You're getting everything from table, right table, and the matching rows
Mm.
from left table. And wherever there is no matching rows, you're getting null there, right?
So that Prashant, that name is not matching in that other table.
But
Oh,
we are
so
not.
the ID is matching. ID is matching. That's why it's bringing.
Yeah, that's what I have explained in the first one itself. We are doing the matching on the basis of ID, na? Not on the basis
Mhm.
of name. Because
Got it.
ID is same for Prashant and this 3 and 3.
Got it.
Yeah. Anyone else has any doubt in this? Guys, take 2 minutes to sink this in and then ask me doubts.
Yeah, clear, Indrajit. Yeah.
Okay, what about others?
Yeah, makes sense.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Swati, clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Krutarth, Prashant, everyone with me?
Yes, Indrajit.
Okay, got it. So now clear with inner join, left outer, right outer join, correct? Let's go ahead and create one more and let's explain you other kind of joins also, which are there. So table 1, table 2, and we can perform, we have already performed these 3 joins. So full outer will be what? You will be getting all the rows from all the tables. So you have to select the ID column and let us click on this. You're getting all the rows. In table 1, there was 3 rows. In table 2, there was 7 rows. You're getting all the rows. Okay. So now let me change the position of tables. So I will I will make table 2 as the left table, table 1 as the right table, and let us see what will happen. Look, you are getting everything here, and table 2 is nothing what? Table 1, right? Look, wherever there is no matching thing, you will get null. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So now let's go to the next one, merge queries, merge queries. And I will take, oh, no. So basically what will happen if you will click on merge queries, suppose you don't want to create this different table. So you want to merge the table here, result in this table itself. So in that case, what you will do, you can,
Your voice is breaking in the.
hello, is it audible now?
Yeah.
It is audible.
Might be then there is some issue at your end. For whom it is breaking? Guys, am I audible properly? Was it breaking for
Yeah.
every one of us?
Now, now it is
Indrajit,
okay.
you are audible.
Okay, so I think like whoever said it was breaking, please check your internet connection. Might be there is some issue at your end. Okay. So guys, like if you want to directly add the query here itself, here you can see table 2 is selected, you can't change it. So you can simply click on table 1, and suppose I want to perform the inner join, you can click on this, and you can select the IDs, and you can click on OK, and everything will be inner join will get calculated here in this table 2 only. Got it? I'm creating new table because I want to explain you. I have to backtrack and I have to explain you like this is how it is getting created. Okay. So it depends on you. Like if you want to add in the existing table itself or you want to create a new. As with me, hello, good morning.
Yes,
Yeah,
Indrajit.
got it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, with me, na? Okay, that's fine. So now we have two other joins here: left anti join, right anti join. So what is left anti join? You will be getting the rows only in first table. Then you will be getting rows only in the second table. Let's apply left anti join first and see how it works. Select columns of same type. Okay. Okay. There is some issue in the type. Change the data type to whole number. Now let's perform the left outer join. Now you got one issue. Like if your primary key is of different types, suppose one is of text, one is of, come on, tell me, one is of decimal number or whole number, you will get an issue. Both should be of same data type. So here, if you will click on left anti join, let's see what you are getting. Let's see. Has a name. You are getting nothing in the left anti join.
And what does
Ideally,
left join do?
left anti rows only in first. Ideally, you should get these three rows. Why you are not getting? Let me see. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. There is some issue. Let me change it to right anti join.
It will not show common rows, right? I mean, common
Yeah, correct. Yeah, this is very correct. Who's this? Who said this?
pressure.
Prashant, yeah, on point. Why you were not getting anything? Because it will show all the rows which are not there in the common area. So let me go there. Let me go to our PPT blank slide and let me explain it to you with the diagram. Okay. So here you can see this is table A. Come on. No, stylus is not working now. This is pathetic. Yeah. These are two tables, table A, table B. So now left anti-join, what it says, you will get this portion, this portion. You'll get this portion of the table. This means all the non-matching rows from left table. Okay. And what will happen in the right anti-join? You will get this portion.
So the non-matching from the right?
Yeah, all the non-matching from the right table. Clear with the concept?
Yeah. And
Every,
can we see like what is the non-matching and not based on looking at the on
yeah,
how it
I will be, yes. I will be editing the table. Like I will add some non-matching rows in the first also and in the second also so that like you are getting some output. Okay, so you are able to create this visualizations in your mind, like what will happen, like which area you will get in the left entity, which you will be getting in the inner join, which you will be getting in the right outer join, all those things, right? Conceptually, you are able to visualize the things.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Let's go here and let me go ahead in the table one. I want to add something, so I'll click on this thing and I will add some ID here. I will be adding ID 10 and I will say, suppose Rohit, the name. I will be adding ID 15 and I will say the name is Virat. Okay, I'll click on OK and let us go to merge 4 and let us try to change it to left anti join. So what you will get in the left anti join, right, guys? Now
Rohit and Virat.
Rohit and
Not.
Virat. Yeah, are you getting this?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. So now let us get rid of this thing. And now similarly, I will change this to right anti join. So in right anti join, what you will get, guys?
All the
Number four
records
and
of right table
Kaswaraj and Swati.
and match.
yeah.
Raj and Swati. So let us go here, open the right table because this is the left table, and Baswaraj, Swati, and Sai. Okay, let us go to table 2 and see. You will get 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Baswaraj, Swati, Sai, and blank.
Yeah.
Got it? Like this is table 1. This is your left table. This is your right table. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, common. You will not get the common area. You will be getting only the thing which is there in the right table. Correct? So if I will go here in the merge 4, if I'll give you the source. So if you can see in the source, no worries, guys. Like whatever you said, that was correct only because you have seen this view of the table, and according to this view, you should get this thing. Was this view will not show you the entire table, so that's why. Don't get demotivated. You got the concept, you got the gist of it. I can understand. Okay, got me?
Yes,
Yeah.
Shankaran.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now you must be getting the doubt, sir, why this use fuzzy matching to perform the merge? Why this is there? Why we are not taking this, right? So why we have this option? So if you have a primary key, the common column between them as a name. So in that case, what you can do, you can simply check this use fuzzy matching to perform the merge. So in that case, what will happen? So here you can see fuzzy matching option. So if you will be clicking this option, so suppose you guys have the data which is coming from the real world. So might be someone has written KSR in the low uppercase. So might be someone has written KSR like this. Might be someone has written KSR like this. KSR. Might be someone has written KSR like K as capital then R this. Then K cap small as capital R like this. So in this case, the name is same, right? But the practice of writing is different, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, might be if you ask about my name, might be some of you might write like this. Might be some of you will say, okay, it is like this. Might be some of will write like this, right? So the name is same, right? If I have to match it, the name is same. I am only one person, correct? So in fuzzy matching, what will happen? Like it will ignore all the case and it will consider everything as one. Okay, and that is expected also. Like whenever you will be creating Power BI report, you are expected to you will be expecting, okay, this is same. So to tackle all this situation, whenever you are using some as of now we are using here decimal key, and most of the time it will be decimals only, like whole number or decimal number. But if you're using text as a key, you can click on this fuzzy matching and you can then uh, configure it from here. If you want to ignore the case, if you want to match by combining text parts, so all these things you can do it from here. Okay, So if you click here, you will be getting the options indicates how two values needs to be in order to match. The maximum will be 0.0, will cause all values with any level of similarity to each other, and the maximum value of 1.0 will allow you exact matches. Okay, so here you can give your value. So if you are giving 0, so that means here it is written. If it is 0, it will cause all values with any level of similarity to match each other. Okay. Like suppose if KSR is written all in caps, and if it is written in other case, all in small letters. So it will automatically match that. If you are keeping here at a maximum 1, so then it will automatically look for the exact match. KSR, KSR. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
No.
No. Sorry.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, as per, uh,
No.
what I
First of all,
understood,
tell me you got it or not.
yeah, what I understood, I will just say,
Yeah.
please correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah. Sure.
Basic,
I will.
yeah, basically, it's a case sensitive, and also whenever the key column is a text, then we have to check this fuzzy matching. Is it
Yeah,
right
correct,
understand?
correct,
Okay.
correct, correct. This is exactly what I meant.
Okay.
Yeah. Every one of you got it?
Indrajit, could you please tell me again that what is a similarity threshold?
Sorry. What is?
There is one inbox, right? Text box where we have to
Yes,
put
similarity
similarity threshold.
threshold. It is optional text box. Like it will it sorry. Here you can add the value, like how much uh, casing you want to match with. Okay, what should be the sensitivity of matching? If you are putting it 0, so then it will like suppose you are having KSR written in different kind of casing, so then it will automatically get that. So if you have
Okay.
written it 1, huh, so then it will go ahead and match, go ahead and find for the exact match.
Okay.
Okay.
So it is either 0 or 1, right?
No, it is between 0 to 1. So
Okay.
by default it is 0.8.
Okay.
Yeah. Clear with the merged queries, guys?
Yes.
I hope you must have learned something new today. Nothing new?
Yes, Sanjay, it was clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So tomorrow we will go ahead and work on append queries, and we will go ahead and start working on the reports, relationships, and everything. So now we have picked up the pace. Now we will automatically build the things over one another. And let's meet tomorrow, guys. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can break for today.